Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley. Today I will be showing you how to edit the proposal cards that are available inside of my Etsy shop. So let's get started. So these are the options that I currently have available inside of my shop. These cards are 5 by 5 by 4.25 inches. These proposal cards are great to add inside of your Bridesmaid's proposal box. I use the platform Templett for my cards. You won't need any additional subscriptions or software, but after you purchase, you will receive an email from Templett within a few minutes of your purchase, and you will then gain access to the proposal card when you will be able to edit the card. So if you like to demo the card before you purchase, on my listings there will be a demo link for each specific card. Copy and paste it into the web browser. So this bundle, it includes a bridesmaid's card, a maid of honor card, a matron of honor, and a flower girl card. So on the cards, you will be able to change the text. You can change the font as well as the color and also the size. The only thing that can't be changed is the clip art as it is locked. If you need to add more than one bridesmaid card or any type of card, you will just click the duplicate button on the card of choice and you'll just change the text. And you could print these cards at home or send it to your local print shop. And if you would like to purchase this download, check out my shop Arm4 Creations. And I hope you have a great day.